What it do? Yeah, I'm coming back here with another video here. I got me a triple cascading bonsai. I'll let you get a little spin on it and see what I want to do. I want to capture the cascading bonsai from each side, from here, this side. Then I want to turn this, wire this way, so this will be a cascade. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to carve out a three-way cascade with a semi on top here with the apex here, and then with another cascading branch from this one. I never seen somebody do a triple cascade, so it's just something I'm trying out new and trying to see can I pull it off and how would it look. So right now I just trimmed it up a little. I chopped off a little, trying to get rid of this browning because I had let it went a little while, but I cut away a bunch of this. I don't want you to have to look at the video with all this cutting away stuff, but I'm just gonna try to pot it now. I got some good nabari going on here with the trunk, so I'm gonna dig down inside here, try to see can I get a little of that nabari to show, and I come here with a little. Get my glove. Gloves here. You just get rid of these rocks. Then I want to give you a close-up of that nabari right there. See? I'm getting a nice little action from the trunk. Got a good root system here. See that nabari there? It's got a lot of character in there, a lot of little root growth. I'm trying to see can I dig down and find a little more. But that's a good little nabari there, trying to show a little character for that root. See, they have a lot of little. It's a good root growth here. Good root system here, so that looked pretty good. Big little nabari there. See that right there, man. It's going, showing a little good little root system. Let's get you a good shot of that. At the bar there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to come back with a wiring. That you see me,